Before we start discussing what we have in this video, I want to say that the length of this video is just 2 minutes. So please watch it till the end. So let's start now what we are going to see in this video. Learn software testing in 6 hours with notes and real-time super simple examples for free of cost. How to do that? Go to YouTube, search for a channel QA Peddia English. You will find a playlist there, software testing tutorial. You can complete the playlist in 6 hours. What are the benefits of the session? You can watch it whenever you want. It is free of cost. You get the real-time super simple examples. It is on-demand tutorial. It's just 6 hours tutorial. You get the notes for each session, separate video for each topic. If you will go to YouTube and if you will search for QApedia English, then you will find this particular channel. You can click on it, and then on this particular channel you can go to playlist section. When you go to playlist section, you will find a playlist software testing tutorial, and if you open this, then this particular playlist will have these many videos. There are 27 videos, and you can complete these videos in all these tutorials you can complete in 6 hours. So this is how you can learn software testing in 6 hours. So that's it. What are you waiting for? Start learning.